How to link bank account with Square. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link bank account with Square. If you want to link your bank account with Square, then first of all you need to open a new web browser on your device. And in the search bar you need to type squareup.com. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Square. Here in this page, you need to click on Sign In option at the top to log into your account. Once logged in, you can now click on this My Account and from here you can select Dashboard. Once doing that, now you will access your account. And now once you reach to this interface, here from the left panel you will find some options. At the very bottom, you will find Banking option. Click on this Banking and from this menu you need to select Balance. Once you click on Balance, now you will be redirected to a new page. Wait until the page loads. And once it loads, here you need to click on your profile name. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a new interface on your screen. Here you need to scroll down and you need to click on this Transfer Settings. And finally, here you will find the option Link an Account. Go ahead and click on this Link an Account option or the link and you will be presented with this pop-up window. Here it says if you want to link your bank account instantly using Plate or you want to link manually. If you have account on Plate, then you can click on this Continue button and it will take you to the Plate website from where you can link your bank account instantly. But if you want to link it manually without using Plate account, then you need to click on this Link Manually instead. Once you click on it, now you will need to provide some of your information here. It also says that the verification may take up to 4 business days, so you need to patiently wait for it until it is successfully verified. Now in this section, you need to add account holder information. In the first box, enter the name on your account and in the second one, you need to click on it and choose the account owner's role. Once you have selected one of these options, scroll down to add other informations. Select the account type, routing number, account number and enter the same account number in this last box to confirm it. Now once you have entered all the details, scroll down and here it says to verify this account, Square will withdraw $0.01 and then refer the charge later. So you need to make sure at least you have $1 in your bank account to make the verification successful. So if you have sufficient amount in your bank account, then click on this verify button right here. And after the verification, your bank account would be linked with Square. So by following these steps, you should be able to link your bank account with Square. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.